What happens when Toyota takes one of its most legendary names, the Land Cruiser, and reimagines it as a futuristic, compact SUV built for a new generation? The answer is right here with the 2026 Toyota Baby Land Cruiser. This isn't just another crossover with a fancy badge. It's Toyota rewriting the rules of what a Land Cruiser can be, delivering futuristic design, advanced hybrid powertrains, and an interior that feels more like a digital lounge than a rugged SUV. The big question is whether this baby-sized Land Cruiser is truly worthy of carrying such an iconic name. Let's find out. The Land Cruiser has always stood as a symbol of toughness. Since 1951, it has built a reputation for go-anywhere durability, surviving deserts, mountains, and everything in between. For decades, it was the choice of adventurers, explorers, and families who wanted bulletproof reliability. But the world has changed. Cities are crowded, buyers want more efficient vehicles, and design expectations have shifted towards sleek, futuristic aesthetics. Toyota's answer is the Baby Land Cruiser, a model that condenses the spirit of the original into a compact, stylish, and technologically advanced package. From the front, the Baby Land Cruiser immediately makes its presence known. The traditional oval Toyota badge has been replaced with bold, illuminated Toyota lettering that stretches across the grille. This design move feels deliberate, echoing a wider trend across the automotive world where brands such as Porsche, Land Rover, and Ford have moved toward using their names rather than symbols. The grille itself is a modern hexagonal shape with clean, blacked-out horizontal slats. Its proportions are functional and futuristic, giving the impression of both airflow management and solid strength. Flanking it are razor-thin LED headlights that resemble digital eyes. These lights are more than simple illumination. They deliver a piercing, cybernetic stare that feels alive, with distinctive double L signatures that instantly define the SUV's identity at night. The lower bumper integrates sculpted aerodynamic channels framed in gloss black. It feels both aggressive and purposeful, a contemporary take on the Land Cruiser's heritage of rugged functionality. Move to the side profile and the proportions strike a balance between compact, city-friendly practicality and muscular SUV-like toughness. Unlike a typical crossover that leans heavily towards sleek curves, this Baby Land Cruiser carries squared-off shoulders that give it visual weight. The black cladding around the wheel arches reinforces its rugged credentials, making it clear this isn't a fragile, urban-only machine. The gloss black alloy wheels, likely ranging between 18 and 20 inches, complement the stance with a touch of modern performance style. Along the rocker panel, the words Land Cruiser are boldly spelled out, serving as a permanent reminder of the heritage it carries. The roofline flows elegantly toward the rear with a coupe-inspired taper, but the upright SUV stance remains intact. The design feels equally at home parked between glass skyscrapers downtown or kicking up dirt on a weekend mountain trail. The rear view continues the theme of futuristic minimalism blended with confident strength. A seamless LED light bar runs across the entire width, connecting the tail lamps with razor precision. In the center, glowing Toyota lettering dominates the tailgate, creating a sense of brand pride that mirrors the illuminated script up front. Just below, Land Cruiser is proudly engraved in block lettering, giving a nod to decades of tradition. The bumper is sculpted cleanly with gloss black accents and subtle diffuser shapes. When it comes to performance, Toyota has not released every technical detail yet, but their recent strategy offers strong clues. Expect the base model to feature a 2.0-liter turbocharged hybrid engine paired with Toyota's latest electronic CVT. This setup would likely produce somewhere between 220 and 250 horsepower, offering a good blend of efficiency and strength. A plug-in hybrid variant is almost certain, probably using a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine combined with electric motors for over 300 horsepower and a usable 40 miles of pure electric range. All-wheel drive will not just be an option, but a necessity, because Toyota cannot sell a Land Cruiser that isn't ready for challenging terrain. Step inside, and the Baby Land Cruiser changes character entirely. Where the exterior celebrates toughness, the interior embraces futuristic luxury. The centerpiece is a massive digital display that stretches across the dashboard. On startup, it illuminates with the word Toyota in bold digital script, accompanied by animated graphics that feel like a science fiction movie intro. The steering wheel retains Toyota's functional design, but adds illuminated capacitive touch controls that feel futuristic without being overly complicated. The seats are wrapped in quilted leather with contrast stitching, offering a premium feel that balances comfort for long highway drives with durability for more adventurous trips. Ambient lighting strips glow across the dashboard and door panels, creating a sophisticated atmosphere at night. Storage has been carefully thought out, with a wide center console, cup holders, wireless charging pads, and modular storage compartments that are perfect for both everyday items and weekend gear. This cabin blends premium design with Toyota's signature practicality, proving that the baby Land Cruiser isn't just about style, it's about usability too. The 2026 Toyota Baby Land Cruiser is more than just a compact SUV with a famous badge. It's proof that the Land Cruiser's spirit can evolve. By combining legendary toughness with futuristic design, advanced hybrid powertrains, and a digital-first interior, Toyota has created a vehicle that feels prepared for both the challenges of tomorrow's cities and the adventures of the wild. The only question left is for you. Would you buy a baby Land Cruiser? Or should the Land Cruiser name be reserved for the massive, rugged icon it has always been? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. The future of SUVs isn't always about going bigger. Sometimes, it's about going smarter.